In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign and stamp a PDF electronically in Adobe Acrobat DC. We'll walk through each step from opening your document to saving your final signed version. So grab your computer and let's dive into this simple but effective process. First, you'll want to open Adobe Acrobat DC. If you're not familiar with this program, don't worry, it's quite user-friendly, and today we're focusing on its electronic signing and stamping features. Once Adobe Acrobat DC is up and running, go ahead and locate the PDF document you want to sign, open it up, and now we're ready to begin our signing journey. The first thing we'll work on is adding a signature to your document, which is incredibly convenient and can save you from the hassle of printing, signing, and scanning. Start by going to the top menu and selecting Tools. From there, find Fill and Sign in the drop-down menu. Once you've clicked that, a new toolbar will appear that gives you several options. You'll see a button labeled Sign. This is your gateway to adding a signature. Click Add Signature or Add Initials, depending on what you need for your document. Now you have a few options for how you want to create your signature. You can type it, draw it with your mouse, or if you have a scanned image of your actual signature, you can import that as well. Choose the method that suits you best. After crafting your signature, you'll want to place this into your document. Click on the document where you'd like the signature to appear, and Adobe will place the signature field right there. Don't worry if it's not the exact size you want. Simply click and drag the corners to resize it to your liking, then hit Apply. Next, if you'd like to add a stamp, such as a date or a custom-built stamp, we'll head back to Tools. This time select Stamp, which might be located under Comment or Stamp Tools in the drop-down. Here you'll see different options, including some predefined stamps like Approved or Draft, or you can use a custom stamp you've created. Once you have selected your stamp, click on the desired location on your page. Similar to the signature, you can adjust its size and position to fit neatly onto the document. Finally, remember to save your document. Simply go to File and then select Save to ensure all your changes, including the signatures and stamps, are securely stored on the PDF. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quick and easy Adobe Acrobat tutorials. It's always a pleasure making these tasks simpler for you, so stay tuned for more step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching and happy document editing.